Assalamu alaikum, it's Saqib Bashir here. I'm heading products and engineering at Haball, and today we just conducted an interactive learning session जहाँ हम लोगों ने multiple banks को बुलाया हुआ था, and the focus was how we can digitize the supply chain financing unit. I think it was a wonderful and interactive session जहाँ we divided the entire participants into teams. Everybody just came up with brilliant solutions to digitize the entire leg. We talked about onboarding, regulatory compliances, risks, transaction को किस तरह automate करना है, and I think we will have multiple such workshops conducted throughout Pakistan, obviously within Karachi, but in Islamabad, Lahore as well. So I think more of these workshops are necessary because this is sort of a blue ocean, if you will. There's a lot to do in this market and a lot to digitize, so it's very exciting.